Good morning. My name is Cash Overturf. Today is Tuesday, November 4th.
And I'm Austin Judd. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Candy Day.
Celebrated every November 4th, this day honors all things sugary, chewy, and chocolatey. From candy corn to gummy bears, it's a day dedicated to everyone's favorite treat.
Candy has been around for thousands of years, starting with ancient civilizations who sweetened fruits and nuts with honey. Modern candy as we know it took off in the 1800s when sugar became widely available and chocolate was first mass-produced. Since then, it has become a worldwide symbol of celebration, creativity, and the occasional sugar rush.
So celebrate National Candy Day by enjoying your favorite sweets. Just maybe not all of them at once. Remember, Songus, life's short, so make it sweet. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Make sure to be considerate of Saugus' neighbors and community on your way to and from school. Do not walk through people's yards and do not touch people's property or move trash cans to park.
Seniors, you can now submit photos and videos to this year's 2026 Senior Slideshow. The Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life. Pictures or videos could be submitted to our email or the SNN Instagram listed below.
The Pad Project Drive will be accepting donations of menstrual products until November 21st. Each donation is worth 1 service hour. Item drop-off is in the library during school hours. Now, let's go to Jared Diaz with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. My name is Jared Diaz, and I'm here with this week's ASB Minute. Football season isn't over yet. This Friday night on the home side at Canyon High School, our football team will take on Shore High School at 7 p.m. in the CIF Southern Section Division 7 playoffs. The theme is Adam Sandler, so make sure to show up in your best baggy Adam Sandler-inspired fit and come ready to cheer on the Centurions. Since this game is a CIF game, ASB cards will not work for entry, but tickets can be purchased on GoFan for $7.30 for students. Also, this Friday is National Jersey Day. Be sure to come to school wearing your favorite sports jersey and stop by the stage at brunch for our Guess the Team game based on people's jerseys. As the season of giving approaches, ASB will be hosting a food drive for families in need from October 20th through November 21st and a supply drive for foster children from November 10th through November 14th. ASB will also be supporting the Pad Project's female menstrual product drive running from November 3rd through November 21st. That's all for me, Sense. Now let's go to Cole Stadler with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Jared. Good morning. I'm Cole Stadler with today's Saugus Sports Update. Boys tennis tryouts will be on Wednesday, November 12th at 3 o'clock on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring your tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. The first ever intramural football turkey bowl tournament will be on the football field today and tomorrow at lunch. Teams will consist of 4 players, and there will be a division for both boys and girls. Sign-up sheets are in the ASB office. Incredible prizes will be awarded to the winning teams. If you have not officially signed up, show up to the field with your team and you will be entered in the tournament. Good luck. That's all for me. Now let's go to Mikhail Tizai with our first edition of Cooking with Crockpots, pulled pork sliders.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Mikhail Tizai, cooking with SNN. In this edition of Cooking with Crockpots, we'll be making Hawaiian pulled pork sliders.
For this recipe, you will need 4 to 5 pounds of pork roast, 2 packages of Hawaiian seasoning, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of liquid smoke, and Hawaiian rolls. Before you begin cooking, be sure to wash your hands and wear appropriate clothing. Place your roast, seasoning, brown sugar, and liquid smoke into the crock pot. Cook on high for 6 hours. Once the meat is done cooking, use 2 large forks to shred the pork inside the juice. Place your shredded pork between 2 Hawaiian buns. You can also serve with optional toppings such as mayonnaise and mozzarella cheese.
This is a perfect recipe if you're on a busy schedule and want something flavorful and tender. This has been Mikhail Tizai, cooking with SNN.
Thanks, Mikhail. Maybe I could save that recipe for Thanksgiving.
Reach will be hosting college guest speakers to the end of the semester. All presentations will take place in room Q1715 during first and second period. Any junior or senior interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Ms. Hilstein in room Q1715. The next speaker will be next Monday, November 10th from University of California, Riverside.
Make sure to pick up after yourself and take care of our school. Remember, there are only 2 custodians to clean up after 2,500 students.
There will be a food drive on the Saugus baseball field on November 22nd and 23rd. If you are able to come by and bring food to donate to local food banks.
That's all from me. I'm Cash Overturf. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Austin Judd. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.